Jubilant Britons have rejoiced as EU states begin to buckle under economic pressure from Brexit. Britain's threats to trigger Article 16. As the UK inches ever closer to triggering the clause to solve the impasse over the Northern Ireland Protocol, fears are growing of a looming trade war between the two could erupt. The BBC's political editor Laura Kunzberg reported yesterday that Boris Johnson looks set to trigger the clause of the Brexit withdrawal agreement. It would allow the UK to unilaterally suspend aspects of the withdrawal. The EU has already warned that there will be consequences should the clause be triggered, sparking fears about a trade war. As tensions ramp up between the two sides, it appears that other EU member states, including the Republic of Ireland, fear the fallout could cost them dearly. Express.co.uk readers were quick to jump on this, gleefully reminding them of the potential cost of any trade war. Ruffles the guinea pig said, the EU knows Ireland can't afford to build and man a 500-mile border. Ireland is going to be suspended from the common market and the customs union. That essentially means Ireland will be out of the EU. Irexit is coming, and there won't be a referendum or any negotiations. Especially as they need to get it done before the COVID-19 bailout deal is signed up to avoid picking up a share of the debt. No negotiations, no divorce payment, no, you can keep fishing in our waters even though we can't. It will happen overnight. Just goodbye. Zande 1 wrote, let's be sensible about all this. The EU sell 2.2 trillion in goods and services to the UK, so when push comes to shove, what's more important to the EU? Ireland, population 4.9 million, or the 2.2 trillion and 100 billion a year trading profits? Of course they will throw Dublin under the bus. They simply could not survive without the trade deal, but they could survive without Ireland. Pished artist said, the UK has put no financial pressure on the EU. They have done it to themselves. No one trusts a liar, and the EU is full of them. In a statement, a UK government spokesperson said the preference remained to find a consensual way forward, but that Article 16 was a legitimate safeguard. Democratic Unionist Party (DUP) leader Sir Geoffrey Donaldson said the UK government needed to take decisive action within weeks. The European Commission will circulate a paper to European capitals next week setting out the options available if the UK triggers Article 16.